Hello, massage nerds. Guess what I finally got in the mail? My plaque, my 100,000 subscribers plaque. And I want to thank you. Thank you for your support, for your likes, for your comments, for everything that you've done to help me, to push me, to motivate me. So thank you very much. And let's look forward to the next one. And to Lizbeth, and to all my models, and to all the people that have helped me to make this possible. Okay, so let's look at it. Let's see what it looks like. Okay. Oh, okay. You want to help me out? Help me out. Okay. Here's this. You can hold that up. Let's see what this says. YouTube. Some 100,000 subscribers. Just how far have you come? In each of your subscribers were a light year. They would take you from one side of the Milky Way to another. That's far. And it's why today we're so excited to celebrate your special YouTube journey with you. Not only have you brought a unique voice and style to the world, you've also created valuable connections and built a community along the way. In this spirit, YouTube is proud to present you with the Silver Creator Award, which celebrates your hard work and incredible achievement. Congratulations on this amazing milestone, just one of many that we hope will follow in the future. After all, there are countless others out there who have yet to discover your passion and dedication, where they come to your channel to learn something new or just for a laugh. A whole new audience is waiting for you to inspire them, just as your growing community continues to inspire you. We can't wait to see what you do next, and we'll be with you every step of the way. Thank you guys. You guys made this possible. I hadn't read this and I almost started crying, so thank you. Okay, let's take this out. I'm going to hang it up somewhere. We're going to find a perfect place for it. And so here it is. Thank you guys. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, to my Instagram. Give us a like, a comment, and a follow. Till the next time, create a great day.